Hi, I'm Derek Herr with Evolution Wheel, and today we're talking about non-marking skid steer tires for new construction! So, non-marking tires. We tend to get a lot of calls from customers, and it seems like more and more as things go on about non-marking tires. I need a set of non-marking tires because I have a job that requires them. Or I need a set of non-marking tires because my customer doesn't want their concrete marked up. It's becoming more and more important as new builds become more and more expensive and customers have a higher demand. Generally, when you put up a new building, you don't really want to have a whole bunch of black marks on the concrete day one you move in. So more and more jobs are requiring this. They're requiring that skid steers, telehandlers, a lot of the machines that are going to be driving around the concrete have non-marking tires so that the building looks nice when they move in. There's some important features that you need to consider when you're buying a set of non-marking skid steer tires. Let's take a look at what those are, just so you have a good informed decision and you get the right tire for your machine. The first thing you really need to talk about is the compound because it's different than everything else. Non-marking compounds are made with silica instead of carbon black. All carbon black tires out there, the black ones that we see every day, they use carbon black as the bonding agent and the molecule to bond other molecules chemically and make that tire. Now, carbon black has a lot of bonding agents and receptors, so you can get really high tensile strength and good abrasion. The problem is it's gonna leave marks in your concrete. So in a non-marking compound, we go to a silica-based compound. It still has good bonding agents, just not quite as good, but it doesn't leave marks in your concrete. Now, very important to know, there's a lot of different quality grades out there of non-marking compounds. And you really want to do your homework to make sure you're getting a good one because non-marking tires generally cost more than a black set of tires. So if you're going to make the investment, make sure you're getting a good set of non-marking tires made with a good compound. Okay, so the next thing you really want to consider is the amount of wearable rubber on your set of non-marking skid steer tires. At Evolution Wheel, our HS tread pattern is 66% surface area in contact with the ground, and the tread depth is 1 5/8 inches. There's a lot of wearable rubber on this set of tires. It's important because generally non-marking tires are, as we said, worth more. They're an investment. You want to make sure you're going to get the most out of them. Now, the other thing to consider is what was the tire made of? How is it constructed? Is it 100% wear compound, or was the tire made with wear compound for the treads, and then once you get to the base of the treads, there's a different compound, and once you hit that wear point, it starts to wear really quickly and the tires are shot. At Evolution Wheel, we make our tires with 100% wear compound. So even once the tires are completely worn out and they're slicks, you're still running wear compound, and so long as you're okay with the traction, you can continue to run the tires. Good considerations when buying a set of non-marking skid steer tires. So I hope there was some good information in this video that helps you buy your next set of non-marking skid steer tires, whether they be solid or pneumatic. And if you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help. I'm Derek Herr with Evolution Wheel. We'll talk to you soon.